Hello, this is the lecture number 1 for the chapter linear equation in two variables or simultaneous equations for the class 10th. Now, first of all, discuss what are linear equation. Now, you know that linear equation means the equation which have degree 1. Degree 1 means the power of the variable is 1. So, a linear equation in two variable, an equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a as well as b is not equal to 0 and both a and b are real numbers, then we call it a linear equation in two variables. The variables here are x and y. So this is the linear equation in two variable. It is a standard form of the linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and x and y are the two variables whose degree is 1. Therefore, they are linear equations. Now, pair of linear equation in two variables, as you know that if we have only one variable, to find the solution of that equation, we need only one equation. And when we have two variables, then we must have two equations to find the solution of that linear equation in two variables. So pair of linear equation in two variables, the standard form of the pair of linear equation in two variables in x and y is of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are not equal to 0 and a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are all real numbers. Now, what is the solution of the pair of linear equation in two variables x and y is those values of variables which satisfy both the equations. For example, suppose we have x plus y is equal to 2 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. We have these two equations, then the value of x and y which satisfy both the equations is 1 and 1. That is, the value of x is 1 and y is 1. That is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 is equal to 5, which satisfy both the equation. This is known as the solution of pair of linear equations which satisfy both. It must satisfy both the equations. So this is the basic concept of linear equation in two variables. Any equation of the form ax plus by is equal plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a and b both not equal to 0 is the linear equation in two variable. Linear means the degree of the variable here x and y should be 1. And pair of linear equation in two variables is also known as a simultaneous equation. These two equations are known as the simultaneous equation. And the solution of this pair of linear equations in two variables are those values of x and y which will satisfy both the equations. So this is the basic concept of the linear equation two variable. Now, what is the geometrical meaning of the solution of the linear equation two variable? Now, every point, every solution xy, the value of x and y of the linear equation of two variable ax plus by plus c represent a point on the line representing the equation. The linear equation always represent a straight line. So the solution of that equation, the pair x and y will lie on that line. Suppose there is a line this, and if any solution of that equation is suppose 1, 2, then 1, 2 will lie on this line. Now, pair of linear equation in two variable representing two straight lines taken together, only one of the following possibility can occur. Now, if there are pair of linear equations, then the pair of linear equation can be either of the following three types. Or three cases are there, that is, the two lines can be intersecting at a point. This is the first case. Now, two lines can be parallel or the two lines are coincident. Coincident means they lie one upon another. They lie one upon another. The first case, second case and third case. When the two lines intersect each other, then this is known as the consistent solution, or we can say that it is a unique solution or exactly one solution. Now, when the lines are parallel, when the pair of linear equation in two variables, if both the lines are parallel, if we draw the graph of that, it will be a straight line. If they are parallel, then it is known as the inconsistent solution, or no solution. And in the third case, when both the lines are coincident, then it is known as have infinitely many solutions, that there are many values of x and y which satisfy both the equation, and it is also known as the coincident solution. It is also known as coincident solution. It means that if we have a pair of linear equation two variable, and if we they always represent a straight line, then those two straight lines either intersect at a point, or they will be parallel, or they will be coincident. So this is the geometrical meaning of the solution of the pair linear equation two variables or simultaneous equation. Now we're starting with exercise 3.1, and some word problems are there, and you have to solve it graphically. It is given in the question number 1 that 7 years ago the age of Aftab is 7 times the age of his daughter. Read the question carefully. You should have your NCERT book with you when you are doing this questions of this or you are seeing this lecture. It is given that in the question that 7 years ago the age of Aftab is 7 times the age of his daughter, and after 3 years the age of after 3 years his age will be 3 times as the age of his daughter. Now let the present age of Aftab be x years, because you have to always find rather it is given that you have to find the present age of Aftab and his daughter. So let the age of Aftab be x years and the age of his daughter be y years. Now 7 years ago, this is the first case. 7 years ago the age of Aftab will be x minus 7, the age of his daughter will be also x minus y minus 7. Y minus 7. So 7 years ago the age of his daughter will be the age of Aftab will be 7 times the age his age. Now after 3 years it is given that the age of Aftab will be 3 times the age of his daughter. So after 3 years the age of Aftab will be x plus 3 and age of his daughter will be y plus 3. Age of his daughter will be y plus 3. So x plus 3 is equal to 3 times the age of his daughter, y plus 3, which is the age of his daughter after 3 years. Now when we simplify this, arrange this equation, it will be x minus 7y is equal to minus 42 and x minus 3y is equal to 6. These are the two equations, and you solve these equations graphically to find the age of both, that is the age of the Aftab and the age of his daughter. So you find the solution set for both the equations. You know how to find the solution set, you have done in your lower classes. Now to find the solution set, you draw the box like this. You should take at least 3 solutions for each of the equation. You must take at least 3 solutions for both the equations. So draw the box like this, x and y, take any 3 values of x and you should obtain the value of y from here, or you can take the value of x from yourself and obtain the value of x from this equation. Similarly from this also you take the value of x or assume any values of x to get the value of y, or you can assume any value of y to get the value of x. Now I have taken here, if the value of x is 0, the value of y will be equal to 6. You can take your own time to do the solution in your rough column, or you can do it in the, you can show in the solution itself. So I have taken x is equal to 0, then the value of y will be 6, and I have taken x is equal to 7, then the value of y is also coming out to be 7, and I have taken the value of x as minus 7 and the value of y is coming out to be minus 5. Similarly in this, I have assumed the value of x as 0, then the value of y will be minus 2. You take your own time to do the calculation. The value of x, if you take y, x is equal to 6, the value of y will be equal to 0. And similarly, if we take the value of x is equal to 3, then get the value of y as minus 1. Now you draw this points on the graph paper. You and mark them properly. This is the y-axis, you know, this is the x-axis. The first point is 0,6. The first point is 0,6. This is 0,6. You mark the proper marking. You take the proper scales. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. And like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can take 1 centimeter is equal to, because the value is greater, you can take 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units like this. So 1, 2, 3 like this. 1, 2, 3 like this. So first point is 0,6. Second point is 7, 7. So 7, 7 will be here like this. 7 will be 7, 7. And minus 7, minus 5. So minus 7, minus 5 will be somewhat here. Now for this 0, minus 2, x 0, y minus 2, 6, 0, the point is here, and 3, minus 1, 3, minus 1, the point is here. Now when you expand these two lines, they will intersect at this point, which is the solution of this equation. 42 and 12 will be the point. If you draw this on proper graph paper, you'll get this point clearly. Now 42 and 12, that is, this is the value of x and this is the value of, this is the 42 and this is the 12. The value of y is 12, the value of x is 42, the solution is 42, then the value of x is 42 and the value of y is 12. And the value of x, 42, is the age of Aftab, which is 42 years, and the age of his daughter is 12 years. And you have to write clearly in your answer that the age of Aftab is 42 years and the age of daughter 12 years. Now to draw the graph properly, you should do the calculation in the solution itself, or you can do the calculation in your rough column. We'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.